When it comes to your roof, sometimes a small leak can lead to a big problem, and Kapili Solar Roofing is helping build peace of mind
one roof at a time
with some simple tips. I think a lot of people naturally may neglect their roof because they don't think about it too much. So what would you recommend that people do to better take care of it?
With repairs and maintenance, you want to just make sure that being proactive and having regular maintenance can prolong the life of the roof as well.
What are some of those maintenance tips that you have for homeowners?
Having your roof regularly checked to help prevent any leaks or water damage into the home. Checking gutters regularly, making sure there's no debris on the roof. You can soft wash your roof. That can take away the mold, the algae on the roof, and that'll actually prolong it.
I do see the damaged area is going to be located on the left-hand side.
We actually offer all exterior cleaning, so not only for your roof, but for your house, your grounds, clean gutters. We do pretty much everything you can think of on the exterior side.
Why do you think it's so important that people are taking care of their roof?
If there is a little leak, that could turn into a major problem. So you want to make sure you nip it in the bud as soon as it happens. That way there's no other potential issues that arise. And our motto is building peace of mind. Giving homeowners that peace of mind that their roof is safe, secure, and the contents in their home are safe and secure. It's the best feeling,
Well, I'm grateful you're reminding us to maybe check out our roofs and make sure that they're doing okay.
Yes.
Save us some problems in the future.
Definitely. So here we have letters from our customers just thanking us for the work that we did, and the little things like this make such a difference and makes us all appreciate, it's pretty awesome. We want to make sure that everybody's home and roof is taken care of. I'm one of the customer success managers, so we make sure that every customer is led to customer success. So we want to make sure that everybody's taken care of. For any type of tips or any more information that you guys might need, homeowners can check out our Instagram, Kapili Roofing and Painting, or you can check out our Facebook, same thing, Kapili Roofing Painting. And we have a lot of tips and a lot of information that any homeowner can use.